exercise 4.1. So your question is the product of two consecutives. Consecutive means after one. Positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. Consecutive integers है. Consecutive integers means x plus 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 11, 12 consecutives. First of all, we will consider let first consecutive first integer is x, then its consecutive integer will x plus 1. Okay? Question is saying product of two consecutive positive integer is 306. According to question, product of integers is how much? 306. Then according to our considerations, what it will be? X, this is the first, and x plus 1, this one is the second. Product of both, that will equal to 306. And now we will solve it. Although it is an equation, but question is saying we need to find the integers. We have to find out the integers. So we will solve it. X into x. This will x square x into 1 plus x, and 306 will come in left hand. This will 306 is equal to 0. And now I will solve quadratic equations. We have to find out the sum of the numbers whose multiplication is 306 and sum will plus x. Clear? So we have numbers so we write it 18 minus 17, it will x square plus 18 minus 17 into x minus 306 is equal to 0. How we solve quadratic equations, I have told you in our previous videos, and if you are not looking that videos, then look it. So x square plus 18 minus 17x minus 306 is equal to 0, and now it will x square plus 18x minus 17x minus 306, that will equal to 0. And now we have to solve it, and we will solve it. X square plus 18x minus 17x minus 306, that will equal to 0. And now taking x as the common, it will x plus 18 and minus will equal to minus 18. But question is saying two positive integers. It means this value will not be accepted. Clear? And now the second term, x minus 17 is equal to 0. It means x is equal to 17. This is a positive value or not? So your one value is 17. So we can say that the first integer will x is equal to 17 and the second integer will how much? This is x plus 1 means 17 plus 1, that means 18. We have two consecutive numbers 17 and 18. Now we check it 17 into 18 whether the question is right or not. 17 8 136. We have 10 13. 17 on the 17 17 13 30. Is it clear or not? So you can check it. And so this is the solution for second question. Your third part of the second question is Rohan's mother is 26-year-old than him. The product of their ages in years 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. So question is saying that Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him, and after 3 years, from 3 years means after 3 years, the product of their ages, Rohan's age and his mother's age, will 360. Okay. So your solution will, first of all, we will consider let the present age of Rohan is equal to x years. Therefore, his mother's age will how much? It will 26-year-old means x plus 26. This is the present age. Now, question is saying that 3 years from now. So, 3 years from now, age of Rohan will how much? Present age is x, and after 3 years it will x plus 3. Clear? And age of his mother, we are talking about after 3 years. 3 years from now. Present age is x plus 26. Present age of Rohan's mother is 20 plus 26. Then after 3 years it will x plus 26. This is the present age plus 3. It means it will x plus 29. I think you can easily understood. Let the present age of Rohan is x years, and therefore his mother age will x plus 26. 3 years from now, after 3 years, age of Rohan's is x plus 26, and after 3 it will x plus 26 plus 3. So it will x plus 29 years. Clear? So next question is saying the product of their ages 3 years from now will 360. Okay. Product of their ages 3 years from now is how much? 360. Yes, but Rohan's age after 3 years will x plus 3. This is Rohan's age, and his mother's age will x plus 29, and the product of both the ages is 360. So this will your representative equation for this. And now for finding age we will solve it. So solve it. X, first of all we will take x and multiplying both. X into x, this will x square. X into 29, this will plus 29x. And 3 into x, it will 3x. 3 into 29, that will 87 is equal to 360. Clear? X square 29x, 3x, 87 is equal to 360. And now we arrange all the terms. X square plus 29 plus 3, that will 32x plus 87, and minus 360 will come in left side. This will minus, that will equal to 0. And after this, x square plus 32x plus, sorry, it will be minus 360 and 87. Minus term is more, that's why we are using minus. And 360 and 87, when we cancel out, we get 273 is equal to 0. Clear? And now we have to solve this quadratic equation. And how we solve this quadratic equation? X square plus the number when added will 32 and subtracted will 273. Sorry, added or subtracted will 32 and product will 273. Here it is minus, it means we have to take two numbers whose multiplication will in a minus term. Is it clear? And now take out the numbers. And 7. This will 39 minus 7 x minus 273 is equal to 0. 39 minus 7 will 32, and 7 into 39, when we multiply it, we get 273. Clear? And now we solve it. X square plus 39x minus 7x minus 273 is equal to 0. X is common in first here. X will common here, it will remain x, and here it will remain 39. Minus 7 is common in this pair. What will remain? X. Minus is taken common, it will plus, and same will remain here, 39. Clear? Part you can also see that it in first bracket and second bracket. number will same. If there will be any difference, then your question solution is wrong. So x plus 39, x plus 39, both are common. So we are taking x plus 39 as a common. What will remain? Here it will be x and here it will 7 is equal to 0. Clear? Once again, product of ages after 3 years. 3 years after Rohan's age will x plus 3 and his mother age will x plus 29. Product will 360. Question is simple. Now x into x, x square, x into 29, 29x, 3 into x, 3x, and 3 into 29, 87 is equal to 360. X square, 29 plus 3, 32x, and 87, and 360 when we come in left side, it is minus. X square plus 32 minus 273 is equal to 0. And now we have to split this term, 32x. X square plus 39 minus 7x minus 273. X square plus 39 into x 39x minus 7 into x 7x minus 273. We are taking x as a common. We have x plus 39 minus 7 as a common. X plus 39. X plus 39 is common in both the pair. It is x plus, sorry, x minus 7 is equal to 0. So this is your solution. You can note it. Whenever you need it, you can note it by video pausing. वीडियो को पॉज कर दीजिए और आप नोट कर सकते हैं. So we have an equation x plus 39 and x minus 7 is equal to 0. When if x plus 39 is equal to 0, then x will minus 39. It is a negative quantity, and you are well known that age of any person cannot be negative. That's why we cannot accept this value. And the second term is x minus 7 is equal to 0. X is equal to 7. It is a positive value. And x was what? X was the Rohan's present age. So Rohan present age is x is equal to 7 years. Clear? And Rohan's mother is with 26 more than the Rohan, means x plus 26 and x is how much? That is 7 plus 26.